Rainier presents UAV WRA, smarter and quieter wind farms using unmanned aerial vehicles. Globally, the wind energy market is losing $8 billion revenue every year due to paralyzed wind site assessment protocols. Rainier has a solution. For information, wind site assessment is the assessment of the potential of a site for a wind energy project and the likely impact of the project. Now let's look at the actual problem at the farm level. Currently, a stationary Met tower is used to record wind data at a single location in a potential site, as you can see here. Farm sites can be bigger than Manhattan, and on a complex terrain such as this, wind varies significantly over the site. Now the question is, how do we know what's the wind profile at all these other locations which are not covered by the Met tower? Our solution. We manufacture unmanned aerial vehicles which autonomously fly over entire sites. Using onboard sensor probes, the UAV collects information about wind speed and direction. We analyze the spatially varied data collected by the UAV along with the Met tower data to create more accurate wind resource assessments. At the same time, we also investigate the noise and visual impact of the future wind farm, which is a first of its kind survey. What's our value proposition? We'll provide our services to wind farm developers. Better resource assessment is expected to lead to wind farms with better performance. Even a 5% improvement which is possible using UAV WRA will increase the farm revenue by about $1 million per year for a 100 megawatt plant. In contrast, the total cost of the UAV is only $16,000. What we see here is there's enough scope for a very healthy profit margin. At the same time, there is very little competition because the other current technologies such as Met towers, LiDAR, SODAR, they are not able to collect SV data over the entire site. Let's look at our market size. According to the World Wind Energy Association report, in 2013, around 4,600 new wind projects are expected to be planned on complex terrain globally, which is a very high growth rate. Our target market is USA and India. These countries are two leading countries in wind energy development. At the same time, we also have an establishment in both these countries. Having seen this huge potential, it is also important to know that we have a very strong team that can deliver the service which will grab this market. We have Victor Maldonado, who is an expert in RC aircraft design and fabrication. We have Shomo Chaudhary, who is an expert in wind resource assessment and farm optimization. We have Riken Patul, who has 7 years industrial experience in 3D modeling and design. And last but not the least, we have Tanmay Chakraborty, who is an expert in optimization and has industrial experience at Google and Microsoft. To summarize, Rainier is offering the service UAV WRA, which is wind resource assessment using UAVs that record data over entire sites. It has huge benefits to the customer. The more accurate site profiling that we are offering will provide a likely $1 million increase in revenue per year for the farm developer. In addition to that, our reports would also make it easier to get the noise and visual impact permits. Now, in order to develop this product and commercialize the service, we require an investment of $500,000. And we project our business as 5 to 10 projects in the first year, and then we expect to grow to around 100 projects by the 5th year. An average estimate of around $600,000 per year profit. And that's the amazing technology business that Rainier is offering.